For Nutella French toast, we will need 4 slices of bread, 1.5 tablespoon of castor sugar, 5 tablespoon of milk, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and some Nutella. Take 1 egg and crack it in the bowl. Now add castor sugar. Whisk egg and sugar. Now add milk and again whisk it. Add vanilla essence to remove the eggy taste and give it a final mix. Take about 1 tablespoon of Nutella and spread it over 1 slice of a bread. Now close it with another slice of bread. Now completely soak the breads in the egg mixture. Now on a hot pan, cook bread from one side. Now flip the bread and cook from other side. Flip the toast and check if it's done. If it's done, remove it from the pan. Repeat the procedure. Cut the toast into half and dust powdered sugar if you wish to. Pipe Nutella. Nutella and sugar are totally optional.